Welcome to this video, a beginner's guide to understanding what a network switch is and how it functions. A switch is a networking device that connects multiple computers on a local network. A key feature is that a switch intelligently forwards data only to the correct destination device using MAC addresses. Imagine 4 computers, PC A, B, C, and D, that need to communicate with each other. But how do these devices connect and share information? This is where the network switch comes in, acting as the traffic director for your local network. Every device has a unique physical address called a MAC address. The switch uses these MAC addresses to identify and locate each connected device on the network. Each PC connects to a physical port on the switch via an Ethernet cable. For example, PCA is on port 1, PCB on port 2, PCC on port 3, and PCD on port 4. Let's look at an example. PCA, the sender, wants to send data to PCC, the receiver. The data travels from PCA to the switch. The switch uses a MAC address table to learn which device is on which port. This table is built automatically as network traffic flow. With smart forwarding, the switch consults its MAC address table and sends the data packet only to PCC's port, ignoring all other devices. This saves bandwidth. A key difference: a smart switch sends data only to the correct destination port, while a dumb hub floods data to all ports, forcing every connected device to receive everything. Switches offer 3 major advantages. They are faster because data goes directly to the intended device, more secure because traffic isn't seen by other devices, and more efficient, providing full bandwidth per port with no collisions. In summary, a switch connects multiple devices on a local network, uses MAC addresses to identify each device, forwards data only to the correct destination port, resulting in faster, more secure, and efficient networks.